This is the Wikipedia page for Unified Modeling Language, for short UML. UML is a general purpose development tool in software engineering for modeling the software systems. It has lots of features. One thing we are going to use in this class is class diagrams. So if we scroll it down a little bit, UML diagram, many of those. One of them is a class diagram. Class diagram is to represent relationships among classes. That's the purpose of a class diagram of a UML. So let me explain that this is the my shape class and the my circle and my rectangle class. So we can represent the relationships of the classes we have defined this way. So we put a name of the class inside the rectangle. So here is my shape class. Then here is my circle class. I found a typo in circle, C-I-R. R is missing anyway. So another class I have defined is my rectangle class. Then we know that the my circle class is a subclass of my shape. Then we represent with the diagrams this way. So my rectangle is a subtype of my shape. Then we put triangle arrowhead on the supertype and then connect to the subtype. So here the triangle head you should not fill in one, just leave it empty one like that. And the solid line in which represent my rectangle type is a subtype or child type of my shape. So similarly, my circle is a subtype, child type of my shape. So that is called the inheritance relationship. Inheritance. Inheritance is used solid line with a triangle head, empty head, and the head is on the parent type. Another notation we could use is in main class. We can see that let me use a window. My window class is here, and my window class is there, and then you can see lots of member variables. So those are my window has those members. So in plain English we say has. In other words, it's an ownership relationship. So my window owns JText area, J radio buttons, and so on. So between my window and, for example, J button, so here we have a J button class. The relationship is my window owns J button. So that relationship is we put diamond and then connect the line. That is ownership or has a relationship. So inheritance we use a triangle, but in ownership or has a relationship we use a diamond. Similarly, we have a JText field, which my window diamond owns a JText field, and so on. So those are the ownership or has a relationship. So another one is that here you can see J scroll pane, which is not a member variable but is used inside the my window class. So relationship between J scroll pane and the my window is my window uses a JPen uses a relationship is a dashed line with a line arrowhead. So this is to represent a user relationship, or it's called a dependency relationship is there. So basically I have introduced to you three notations. First, rectangles represent the class name, and then connecting line with triangle head is a inheritance relationship. Diamond is a ownership, has a relationship. Dashed line with a line arrow head is a uses or dependency relationship. As we make more progresses, we will have more notations for inheritance, dependency, and ownership, and some other relationships among classes.